Hello, today I will show you how to make a simple rose with a Tunisian crochet. It's only 3 rows. It's very easy and so nice in work. So let's start. I am Dua Muhammad and this is Eshq of Crochet channel. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Here I am using Eliza Diva Plus yarn and hook number 2.5 Tunisian hook. Start with slip knot. Then here I will make 62 chain. You can make it bigger or smaller. Here it is a medium size. I will finish the number of the chains and I will show you what I will do. Here I am finished my chains. Now skip the first one and in the second one insert the hook. Grab the yarn and pull up. Insert the hook in the next chain. Grab the yarn and pull up. Insert the hook in the next one. Grab the yarn, pull up. And hold it with your finger like this. Insert the hook. Grab the yarn, pull up. Insert the hook. Grab the yarn, pull up. Okay, I will continue by this method by inserting the hook, grab the yarn and pull up in each stitch to get all my stitches like this method. Okay, it will continue. We will continue. It will be loops on that hook like this. I will continue, then I will show you what we will do. Here I finish my all chain. Now we will grab the yarn and pull through for only the first loop. Then grab the yarn and pull through for these 2 loops. Grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops. Grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops. Now every time we will throw 2 loops. Okay, grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops. Grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops. I will continue like this to the first row again. It is so easy and very simple. Now I finish row number 1. To make the row number 2, skip this first stitch, don't go through it, and we will work in the front of the loop. See this front loop? We will work on it. So insert the hook like this, then grab the yarn and pull up the yarn. Again insert the hook through the loop and grab the yarn and pull up. Insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull up. Insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull up. Continue like this to the end of this row. By inserting the yarn, inserting the hook, grab the yarn and pull up. Okay, I will finish the row, then we will see what we will make. Now we finish this row, and in this end of this row we will find this stitch. We'll go through it. It's 2 loops here. See this? Then grab the yarn and pull up. Now we'll grab the yarn and pull through only 1 loop. Then make 1 chain and go through for these 2 loops. Again 1 chain, go through for these 2 loops. 1 chain, go through for 2 loops. One chain, go through these 2 loops, and continue by this method by one chain, then go through 2 loops. One chain, go through 2 loops. One chain, go through 2 loops. I will continue to the first row again, to come back to the first row. Okay, I finished the second row, and if you see, it's like curly. Okay, and this is normal. Now we will make 5 chain, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we will insert the hook here and grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. Then in this space of the stitches, as you see, these spaces, big spaces, I will insert the hook, grab the yarn and make single crochet. Then 5 chain, 2, 3, 4, 5, and close it picot stitch here and here. I will insert the hook here and here and close the picot stitch with a slip stitch. Okay, then in the second stitch or in the next stitch, make single crochet, picot with 5 chain, 3, 4, 5, and close it in the single crochet that we do it by inserting the hook here and here, and grab the yarn and pull through the 3 loops. Okay, again single crochet in the next stitch, 5 chain, 2, 3, 4, 5, close it to be a picot stitch, close it in the same single crochet that we do it, grab the yarn and pull through the 3 loops. Okay, I will continue doing this stitch to the end of my row. Then I will show you how to finish our rows. Here I finish the last row, and this is the last stitch. I will insert the hook and make one single crochet. Then I will make 5 chain, 2, 3, 4, 5, and slip stitch in the single crochet. Then in this stitch, this is the last stitch, this I will make one single crochet and one chain, and cut the yarn and let approximately 13 centimeter to roll the flower and start make it. Now in this side, start roll this part and make sure that the last stitch here or the first stitch is together. Here we go to finish it. Now turn your rows to be sure that it's in a right. Here is it's okay. Now I will see you. Insert your needle in all parts of these stitches. And repeat again in all parts and in all places. To be sure that all stitches is closed. Okay, I will continue like this to finish this part, and in the end I will tie the yarn. See, after I finish it, how it's very beautiful. And this is with the medium yarn. It's also very beautiful. I hope you enjoyed the video and it was useful for you, and goodbye.